What's the meaning of carjacker? Carjacker. Carjacker.
Carjacker. Carjacker. A carjacker is a person who steals a motor vehicle by using force or intimidation. This crime can happen in different ways, such as when the owner of the car is forced out of the vehicle at gunpoint, or when the thief poses as a hitchhiker and accesses the car when the driver stops. Carjacking is considered a serious crime as it can put the victims' lives in danger. It is important for drivers to be aware of their surroundings and take precautions to avoid becoming a victim of carjacking.